graduate student member from Panimalar Institute of Technology with Electronics and Communication background. So I was a passed out student in 2025 only. Then I joined QSpiders Chrompet as an incubation student in March 2025, and I just chose a software testing course there. So in the very beginning, I joined aptitude class taught by Celsia ma'am, and after that I joined Java class taught by Nandish sir and Shambhu sir. And parallelly, I just started with testing classes. So coming to manual testing, I just learned all the manual testing courses taught by Chandrasekharan sir and Shruti ma'am, and following by automation testing classes. So automation testing classes was taught by Ibrahim sir. So I just want to thank all the trainers because technically I am so weak. So these trainers have trained me very technically, and I can able to gain so much of knowledge and so much of confidence and very good in communication because of all the trainers. And my special thanks is to Ibrahim sir and Shruti ma'am. So they groomed me before all the interviews, and attending all the grooming classes is like the best thing ever. So thank you QSpiders Chrompet for providing me such a beautiful opportunity.